from our Governor, Honorable Alan Berg.
Morning, Ogada. Meet up, morning, Ogada. Like him, you black. I think you will SEPIK, you will wait longer time, no looking for some all kinds of things, but I'm come up with place for you. So, one of the me like talk. Number one, thank you, Blomi, and me go long. Thank Mao, Mr. Yan. One them online, Blongem. Thank you, Law. You black got confidence, Law. People blow SEPIK, now you play invest here. Thank you. But you know, SEPIK that's all. You miss how yourself Nuku, Lumi, Aitape, M2M town blong also. Greater SEPIK, people talk, thank you, you black. We like look save tool all business community blame me, we plan the Yupla acceptive invitation blong. Thank man na Yupla come sit down. Me look into one important guest blow me. Thank man, thank you, like invite him. Papa George Sito, I'm stop yet, original Chinese blow me blah. Thank you, Papa George. I think all get I go and have stop yet. Me and must do also the line of Mapriki come down. Papa Toby Nongi, M1 blah, big blah, businessman blame before please use an up now. Online look seven you.
Hello.
Time me been come up governor long 2017. Me blah economy blame me and been legally. Now, me sabe osem SEPIK me plus a collecting osem 5 million kinata sol tax money. Na time me look at Tesla me sabe osem. I'm talking me story osem economy blo province blo me legally to mas. Me sabe osem time economy me grow. Tesla by allowing osem kind line osem Tang lo come inside. Tesla by allowing osem all churches blo me too can collect more offering because people buy got more money. Main something and you may need lo growing economy. Plenty time lo Papua New Guinea, Ogada man or member also talk lo growing economy. Plenty almost say how lo work it. Main something and time you miss a mainstream economy, you miss a mainstream lo triple something. Money government am spending, all investment where all money put him go inside. Now number three, and you miss a mainstream lo money where people got now people is spending. Time you looking for some online or some Tengma or Narbla business only go big plan, only put in Nubla building. And we saw in place clear or some people got money lo spending. Or some online I work in investment. This year, tax money you mean provincial government by collective and we gone up Abrusim 30 million. 2017 I missed 5 million. This year I go Abrusim 30 million. And talking me or some governor blah. Awesome economy blow SEPIK. I mean, Abrusim 1 billion now. You mean no got oil, you mean no got gas. Me survey got some legally mining or people blow place are working. That's why you mean no got one player. Also call him extractive resource law here. No got gold, no got copper, no got oil, no got gas. That's all. Suppose you go to Western Province, where largest copper mine lo Papua New Guinea start lo them. All people lo Western Province all know that kind something also. Suppose you go to Enga Province, where tribe like gold mine is start. You don't have looking kind building also inside lo Wabek, Emba Nogat. Suppose you go to New Island, where Narbla gold mine is start lo them. You don't have looking kind building also. Suppose you go to Hela province, where Sato, Papa Peak, name Sakaka Plenty Peak, you don't have looking kind building or some Sanapla. These now business houses only got confidence. Last week, people are moving vote of no confidence. This week, Tang Mao Amy giving vote of confidence. No, people blow SEPIK. This is confidence. How much for business? Only say ringing me. Steam, he ask him. BSP or like working nobler brains inside Louis. How much for business? He asking me, look, get out. All gonna like come now working business lawyer. Why? Because only got confidence lo mipla people lo sibi. Yes, you may got plenty problem. You may got power problem, you may got water problem, you may got law and order problem. There's no problem in Ogara province got. Ogara province got. Sorry lomito. Last week anda mi go long Putin ma Papa Julius Chen go long malalo blong him. Mi setting also New Island and mi wabla halfway no got crime problem. Now although West Britain or Rascal passing go big line or Rascal lo West Britain only kira bigo na cost him heavy lo. Inside long New Island. Only cost him heavy inside long East New Britain too. Lo rabaw na kogopo. Lo here lo SEPIK. Trouble them yumi yet sa cost him. You know narlaman. You know money call outside them yumi yet. Mibla look sawe lo desla. Milek talk sa lo business houses osem. Work lo mibla em gaman. Plani time misa toki ibla osem. Suppose ibla foul na inon ablo calling me governor o ibla calling me Caesar. Work lo mi em lo collecting tax lo ibla. Na bien lo try using desla tax lo ibla. Lo make life lo ibla kama good bla. Desla tu et mino sem. Mibla wogi mo santi kama good bla all business houses by come. Mibla by still wogi work lo mibla. Mito thank you long. Mr. Torowin na plan your public servants staff. Misa plan time mibla sa belewi longol. PPC blame me height lo lahat na staff. One them all policeman. Milukim army commander ikam. Overall public servants lo mibla. Milek toki mibla sem. Inside lo SEPIK. Mibla try lo holim hand na make him over something he walk. Or something where Mibla provincial government enough lo manage it. Mibla walk it. Or something where power and stuff lo must be. And Mibla need logo na pani mo lo have. Plenty power lo make him something ino sinan one the Mibla lo province. Let me sit down outside. So plenty time Mibla sa slowly lick na mitok sorry lo desla. But me amo mas lo toki Mibla olsen. Power wala problem em sa start lo wibek. And me feel also before lo finish lo this la ya ba mi plus straight. Mi plus kisi mo ground finish lo ya wa sorok. And me like talk sabe lo teng mau tu mi sa was you club any plan di power lo running sa building. Now overall business houses. Ground mi plus kisi finish online lo lensi walk lo walk in subdivision. Na mi hamamas lo talk out of European Union, one time Australian government only hamamas lo kam na halbi yumi one the power problem lo yumi. Same time I think this la Mibla by helping online lo water board too, so you can straighten all water problems to you lo town. Antap mo lo desla Mibla provincial government em sem trovi staff one them online blongem mi looking Mr. Kami too, deputy blongem bin kam staff Mrs. Sari. One them online do you long police PPC Tamara em staff. Mibla by recruiting 200 plus reserve police this year. So please you plus some young plus staff. You like look out in town, blah me hope was you put him application you go. Now you plug and come na look out in town blow you black. You know no here that's called by me kissing line lo engram, by me kissing line long, was ragawi, by me kissing line long, amudi dragikia, by me kissing too long, maprik, young rusausia, all get up. All district blow me so by me got some reserve police lo try na down all heavy blow you me. Big plus something emotion. All investors like come. All like come because all looks our also we got good pla, honest, na transparent government is staff inside lo. This la part lo Papua New Guinea. This la kind of investments and plenty more by come up. What you need lo make him no straight you me yet. How can something where you me not lo make him by me make it. Where you me saw was emisiran lo nar lahat by me try na kissing. San lo vive kote. Hasta yumi walking ba nice, no ka san. So lo pinisim tok mi like to ko sir. Thank you lo support play black. Support play no start. Support play me over people you know stop. All business houses, all by no na pilim belly see. Lo walking can drive la investment to sir. This time should talking you me story or same. Only got confidence lo you me. Only got look sabe lo you me. Now only put the money blow come down. So you play mas hamamas lo you play lo desla. Me like sing out one la neck go lo young blow you me. You me need lo stop him while katabel na passing lo crossfight na me lo you me please. Inokat plan ita mi totok lo radio na ati yupla sa harim, but now mi totok na ibla lugim straight lo press lo mi na mi game isla to. Suppose you may like in place blow mi basenis, you may na weti wam laman lo mosbi yo. You may na weti prime minister o usait minister lo kam na megim. You may yet mas megi la ya. You may start in finish, you may grow in economy blow mi. And first something you may make it. And need lo grow more yet. Now you may not lo make it plan di more something. Or some la papa ground lo wiwe kolisaya you may totok finish lo more. You blow people too, plan you plus in another blow this little ground. You may need lo finding way now. Remember we can start. You may need lo clearing all this la ground so that all business houses can come and invest. Time will invest or come up in work. You can see work. You blow finding work and make him see lo mi blalo. Pull him online come na invest. Also me talk finish close to 10 company all like come now right in pass. Lo mi blalo provincial government. Me like help him all. Me help him all, me help him you black. Same time too also remember we can talk finish. All presidents play me sin on top, you play harima, town may I talk, deputy governor too is stop. You may or SEPIK. Suppose you work in some business now you got money now you like invest. I think you first man or first marry, people need to look if you invest or place play. I'm big plus something. Lo finishing talk me like talk osem. You may yoga SEPIK, you may need lo sense him. Ting blow you me. Passing blow me lo crossfight, come up with trouble number lo you me yet, you may need lo stop him. Suppose you me sensitive ting blow me, you me sensitive passing blow me, and plus basenis. Now osem you me look him stop. Senis pa come up blow me bla, ino lo narlana. Wanda desla misa se san ku give me ogara na ibla ogara like arab lo gonsen na look in this la building. So, Mr. Yan, thank you for your confidence in the people of SEPIK. Thank you very much.
Thank you.